Still got tons of peppers. Gonna make poppers. Leaving ones to be red for making chipotle. Watermelon. Cucumbers. What's left of the eggplants. Collards. The okra forest that's getting devastated by, that's going to be chicken treats. That's what we're going to call those from now on. The sunflowers that are starting to bloom. We might actually have sunflowers for our table. We're vending for the first time on Saturday. Still haven't uppotted these. I know, I need to. The peas are blooming. The struggling peppers are the cut. The beans. I forgot what kind of beans these are. I know they're not dry beans. If anyone could tell me whenever they're going to be ripe, that'd be much appreciated. The pigs just got done in the pool. And I need to go feed them their real food. Cucumbers really taking off. The dragon tongue beans. All right, let's go feed the piggies.